Medieval swords should have rusted. Wet campaigns, river crossings, freezing nights in the field. Iron had every reason to fail, but the best blades did not, and the reason why was forged into every piece before it ever left the smithy. Medieval blacksmiths deliberately created black rust and a compound called magnetite directly on the surface of their iron. Unlike red rust, which flakes away and exposes fresh metal to destruction, magnetite bonds tightly to the surface and seals it. It does not abandon the metal, it becomes part of it. The process was built into the forge work itself. Extreme heat, repeated hammer cycles, and the controlled atmosphere of the fire drove the chemistry at the surface. Then, while the iron was still hot, the smith applied animal fat or linseed oil, burning it into the scale, hardening it into a moisture-repelling barrier that could survive decades of field use. And the raw material helped too. Bloomery iron, the standard of the medieval world, contained microscopic threads of slag running through the metal. When corrosion tried to penetrate, those slag stringers forced it sideways instead of downward, containing the damage before it could go deep. This was not folk wisdom, it was material science, developed without instruments, tested under the harshest conditions imaginable, and proven across centuries. The forge has changed, the chemistry has not. And if you are maintaining carbon steel in the field today, you are using the same principles that kept medieval iron alive through 1,000 years of war. Subscribe to Trenches to Timber, where war history meets survival and the wild.